Iridescent Nested Box Sets by ClearBags consist of inner iridescent boxes and a clear outer box. The inner boxes can be filled with candy, chocolate, small gifts, and more. Boxes can easily be closed after filling by folding over the flaps and tucking in the top. The iridescent finish on these boxes provides a unique and colorful display. Pop and lock technology is used for the bottom of these boxes so they can easily snap into shape. Each set comes with enough iridescent inner boxes and clear outer boxes to make 25 sets. Start by assembling the outer box and then place the filled inner boxes inside of the outer box. Boxes are made from 12mm PET material that is food safe. Nested box sets are great for party favors, baby showers, graduation parties, and more. Sets allow you to coordinate colors and candy for events and parties, or to sell small quantities of multiple products as a tester set or gift box. Sets are created using 2x2 by 2-inch iridescent boxes and are available in 4 configurations. Sets can either hold 2, 3, 4, or 6 inner boxes. NSB5i holds 2 boxes, NSB1i holds 3 boxes, NSB6i holds 4 boxes, and NSB2i holds 6 boxes. Be unique with Iridescent Nested Box Sets by ClearBags.